disassembled swish. Before putting it back together, ensure the step in the pivot there, this is the presentation side pivot head, has no torque, no proprietary tool. It has a milled step. That milled step matches the milled step in the frame. So that needs to go back together properly. I want to make sure that the torqued head, which is permanent red Loctite in it, is still firmly fixed. The other thing with Loctite on the lock side frame, the screws that hold our clip in do have Loctite in them. So putting the clip back together with the Loctited screws. Clip snaps into place. Screw it to it. Lock insert. Pocket should be clean. Shouldn't have to take the lock insert at any point out. Putting it back in, you want to make sure that the screws are torqued quarter pass snug. Clean this out real quick. When cleaning, I'm going to check the ends of the arc track, make sure pocket lint didn't accumulate in there. I would recommend a Q-tip or a toothpick, if it is in there, to pick it out without damaging the actual track. So again, presentation side has no holes. It is a flat, and it should align flush with the frame. So finding the actual step, what we have to do is turn, pivot. Retired prairie oil. 2 drops will do, don't need a lot. For final, we put a couple of threads of Loctite on our lock side pivot, just Loctite quick stick. Recommend finger starting it. You do want to be careful with the proprietary tool. If it's misaligned, or if you slip, you are going to put a scratch in the pivot head.